Welcome inside the world where 10,000 delicate cocoons will transform into one breathtaking luxury wedding dress. Every cocoon is meticulously handled by precision robotics and expert workers, ensuring flawless silk extraction. Here, silk threads are unwound with astonishing precision, forming the foundation of tomorrow's luxury dress. The scale is overwhelming, hundreds of machines working in perfect harmony to extract the finest silk.
Each thread is carefully measured, tensioned, and spooled, preserving its natural brilliance and strength.
Next, the silk is dyed in luminous, precise colors, every thread reflecting cutting-edge technology. After dyeing, the threads are dried in a controlled, immaculate environment to maintain perfect quality. Then, every single thread is carefully guided into state-of-the-art looms, preparing to form the luxurious fabric. The weaving process turns individual threads into a seamless, shimmering silk fabric of unparalleled precision. Across this vast, ultra-modern floor, thousands of threads unite to create fabric worthy of a royal wedding gown. Once woven, the silk is cut with laser precision into the exact shapes for the wedding dress. Hundreds of pieces are cut simultaneously, ensuring uniform perfection at industrial scale. Next, the magic begins. Intricate embroidery transforms plain silk into art. Every stitch is guided by advanced robotics, creating flawless, luxurious patterns. The scale is staggering, hundreds of embroidery stations working in perfect harmony. Even the tiniest embellishments are placed with pinpoint accuracy by intelligent machines. Panels converge on automated assembly lines, forming the layered structure of the dress. Each layer is smoothed and aligned to perfection, maintaining flawless texture and sheen. Robotics sew the layers together with unmatched accuracy, no thread out of place. Across the hall, hundreds of threads converge into a seamless, glowing fabric masterpiece. Panels are then moved to finishing stations, where the final touches begin. Robotic presses ensure the silk is perfectly smooth, eliminating any imperfections. Every inch of fabric is scanned with high-tech sensors to ensure absolute perfection. Laser cutters trim excess material with precision only robotics can achieve. The factory floor is a symphony of machines, workers, and silk threads. Delicate lace overlays are added with unmatched precision, combining craftsmanship with automation. Each panel undergoes a final embroidery pass, elevating it to luxury perfection. Crystal embellishments are set with microscopic precision, catching the light in every angle. Layers are meticulously stacked to prepare for assembly into the full dress form. Robotics fold and align every layer, ensuring absolute symmetry before final stitching. The final stitching brings all layers together, forming the breathtaking gown silhouette. Seams are smoothed and perfected with cutting-edge laser guidance. Every detail is inspected in real time to guarantee flawlessness. Robotics and human oversight combine for final perfection of embellishments. The dress is carefully folded and protected, preserving its flawless condition. Witness the scale and precision that turns thousands of threads into a single masterpiece. Final touches ensure every fold and detail is immaculate. Lifted carefully, the dress is ready to reveal its full splendor. From 10,000 cocoons, the silk has been transformed into a luxurious wedding gown.
Every inch radiates precision, craftsmanship, and pure luxury.
Placed perfectly, the gown is ready for its first reveal. Every step in this factory moves with flawless coordination and precision.
The fabric itself tells the story of thousands of cocoons transformed. From thread to panel to masterpiece, the transformation is complete.
Every inch passes meticulous inspection, ensuring absolute perfection. The factory hums like a well-tuned symphony, every detail accounted for.
Every stitch, every bead, a testament to precision and luxury.
This is the modern miracle of technology and craftsmanship in harmony.
From 10,000 humble cocoons to one extraordinary luxury wedding dress. The result? a dazzling wedding dress born from 10,000 cocoons.
Every thread is delicately separated, ensuring no imperfection remains. Threads flow like liquid gold into the precision-controlled spools. Microscopic weaving ensures every pattern is flawless. Symmetry and precision define the scale of this luxurious process. Every fiber is scrutinized for strength, sheen, and texture. From spool to pattern, each thread travels with meticulous care. Precision robotics place each embellishment flawlessly.
Hundreds of machines work together, a choreographed dance of luxury.
Every fiber is scrutinized for strength, sheen, and texture. Layers are aligned flawlessly, ready for final assembly. Every fold is smoothed to perfection, preserving elegance and sheen. Layers unite under robotic precision, forming the dress's intricate foundation.
Threads intertwine seamlessly, creating a fabric worthy of luxury couture.
Every crystal is precisely placed to maximize sparkle and symmetry. Multiple layers of embroidery progress together, orchestrated with perfection. Advanced sensors ensure flawless silk at every stage.
Luxury embellishments are applied with unmatched precision.
Every panel moves with precision towards final assembly. Threads meet flawlessly, forming the base of a luxurious masterpiece. Perfect alignment ensures the final gown's flawless silhouette. Seams are sewn with robotic perfection, leaving no margin for error. Every fold and curve is perfected for a seamless look. Final embroidery enhances every curve and panel with luxurious detail. The factory orchestrates every thread, stitch, and bead with precision unmatched anywhere in the world. The dress begins to take shape, a testament to craftsmanship and technology. Advanced inspection robots scan every inch, ensuring absolute perfection. Each crystal is scrutinized for brilliance and placement accuracy. Climate-controlled chambers preserve silk's luster and strength. Final folds are adjusted with surgical precision for flawless alignment. The entire factory functions as a perfectly choreographed symphony of automation. The finishing stitches and crystals complete the luxurious details. Drones perform a 360-degree inspection, ensuring every detail meets perfection standards. The dress is gently moved to final finishing with complete care and precision. Every fold is refined, every embellishment perfected for luxury presentation. Multiple layers of checks guarantee perfection at every stage. Threads are individually verified for strength, sheen, and alignment.
Panels are brought together with robotic precision to form the complete gown.
The last embellishments are applied with unmatched exactness. Every angle of the dress is scanned for perfection, down to the tiniest detail. Robotic precision ensures flawless symmetry in every fold.
The entire factory moves in perfect harmony, a ballet of modern engineering.
The fabric itself radiates luxury, every thread perfect.
The final smoothing ensures the dress gleams with absolute perfection. All inspections pass, confirming the dress meets the highest standards of luxury. After meticulous work, every stage of production is complete. From 10,000 cocoons, the silk has become a masterpiece of luxury and precision. Every detail shines, a testament to craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology.
The shimmering silk and delicate crystals reflect perfection at every angle.
A modern miracle of technology and craftsmanship. Each thread glides through robotic precision, maintaining absolute integrity. Every crystal is applied with meticulous care, catching light flawlessly. Multiple machines stitch in harmony, creating intricate patterns with precision. Every stitch and thread is scrutinized for perfection under high-tech sensors. Robotics weave delicate lace overlays with microscopic accuracy. Tension is precisely controlled to preserve silk's natural sheen and strength. Panels move seamlessly toward final touches, guided by robotics. Each embellishment is precisely positioned for maximum sparkle and symmetry. Every panel is smoothed to perfection, ensuring flawless texture. Panels are aligned perfectly, forming the foundation for the final gown. Robotics sew each layer with unmatched precision and consistency.
Threads interlace flawlessly, creating luxurious silk fabric for the gown.
Every crystal is positioned perfectly, elevating the gown's elegance.
Panels converge precisely, preparing the final assembly of the dress. Folds are refined to maintain symmetry and perfection across the dress. Final embroidery details are added with absolute precision. Drones inspect every detail in 360 degrees, ensuring flawless execution. Every panel is aligned with exacting precision before final stitching. Threads interweave seamlessly, forming the fabric for the masterpiece.
Even the smallest imperfections are corrected for luxury perfection.
Every embroidered detail shines with perfect symmetry and brilliance. The final assembly is orchestrated with machine-like precision across the factory. The factory hums as every machine and worker moves in perfect harmony. Final polishing ensures the silk reflects light in every direction. The factory operates like a single organism, delivering flawless luxury silk. Folds are perfected with robotic precision, every angle flawless.
Panels converge seamlessly, preparing the gown for final assembly. Panels converge seamlessly, preparing the gown for final assembly.
Folds are perfected with robotic precision, every angle flawless.
Drones verify every detail from every angle, ensuring perfection. Final crystals are placed with exact precision to maximize brilliance. Embroidery stations operate in perfect choreography, stitching luxury patterns simultaneously. Panels are aligned and tensioned perfectly before final assembly. Every fold, stitch, and bead is refined to flawless perfection. The silk radiates perfection, every thread meticulously verified. The factory operates as a single, orchestrated entity, every motion choreographed. Final folds are refined with laser-guided precision, ensuring symmetry. Every detail passes rigorous inspection before completion. Panels align perfectly, ready to form the complete gown. Drones provide final quality assurance, ensuring flawless luxury. Polishing enhances the silk's shine, highlighting every detail. Robotics, drones, and human oversight work in perfect unison to finalize the gown.
The completed dress is handled with utmost care as it moves to final inspection.
Every embellishment sparkles perfectly, a testament to craftsmanship and technology. The factory pauses, celebrating the creation of luxury at unprecedented scale and precision. From 10,000 cocoons, the silk has become a masterpiece of luxury and precision. Every detail shines, a perfect union of craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology.
The shimmer of silk and sparkle of crystals showcase flawless luxury.
From thousands of humble cocoons to one extraordinary cherry weatherstream. Displayed in pristine elegance, the dress embodies innovation, technology, and luxury.
The journey continues as the luxury dress enters the high-tech packing hall.
Each dress is handled with extreme care to preserve its delicate perfection.
Robotics fold the gown flawlessly, maintaining every curve and detail.
Final folds are refined with precision for pristine presentation. The dress is carefully positioned to avoid any wrinkles or damage.
Silk folds are pressed gently to maintain absolute elegance. Every crystal sparkles perfectly, even in its protective covering.
Every gown is shielded with protective layers to preserve its luxury finish. The gown is cradled in a luxurious protective box designed for perfection. Every protective layer is sealed precisely, preserving silk and crystals. Boxes glide seamlessly to the labeling station, maintaining order and elegance. Every protective layer is sealed precisely, preserving silk and crystals. Boxes glide seamlessly to the labeling station, maintaining order and elegance. Automated scans verify every box is perfectly aligned and sealed. Padding ensures the gown remains flawless during handling and transport. Boxes are sealed with mechanical precision, maintaining pristine condition. Drones perform final checks, scanning every package for quality and alignment. Each box is inspected in 360 degrees to ensure flawless delivery readiness. Every box is handled delicately, maintaining the gown's perfection. The entire packing process operates like a choreographed ballet of machines. Even within its box, the gown radiates luxury and precision. Every box is labeled, scanned, and verified before leaving the factory floor. The hall operates like a symphony, every move coordinated to perfection. Boxes are arranged carefully, ready for precise delivery. Every gown is cushioned to preserve its flawless form. Boxes glide smoothly into storage, ready for shipment. Packed gowns are stored with precision, ready for delivery to the world's most discerning clients. From cocoon to couture, every dress is now perfectly packed, ready to deliver unparalleled luxury. The perfectly packed dresses are prepared for their journey to elite boutiques. Each box is carefully secured to prevent any disturbance during transport. Transport is swift and meticulous, ensuring the gowns arrive in pristine condition. The dresses leave the factory, ready to grace the world's most luxurious stores. Climate-controlled vehicles protect every silk thread and crystal embellishment. High-tech sensors continuously monitor each package throughout the journey. Upon arrival, robotic systems carefully unload each gown for display preparation. Every gown is handled delicately to preserve flawless elegance.
The dresses enter the boutique, ready for their luxurious debut. Stored in pristine conditions, each gown awaits its special owner. The dress is displayed with perfect lighting to showcase its luxury details.
Every fold, every crystal is refined for the perfect presentation. An elegant showcase allows customers to experience couture luxury in a pristine environment.
Digital displays narrate the exquisite journey from cocoon to couture.
Final touches ensure every gown is flawless before customer viewing. Every element of the boutique exudes sophistication and luxury. Every element of the boutique exudes sophistication and luxury.
Customers are drawn to the beauty and craftsmanship of each gown. Each gown tells a story of luxury, innovation, and meticulous craftsmanship. The moment of reveal, the gown's exquisite details captivate instantly.